Hello, all tech enthusiasts and problem solvers. What if I told you that your innovative ideas could win up to 1 lakh rupees and land you exclusive internship opportunities with Deloitte? Sounds incredible, right? Because Deloitte Hackathon 2025 is here. So it's first ever campus hackathon, an extraordinary opportunity for 6th semester undergraduate engineering students to showcase their skills, network with industry leaders, and redefine industries through innovation. This is more just a competition, it's your chance to learn, grow, and connect. So let us see, why should you participate in this hackathon. So imagine teaming up with bright minds, tackling real world challenges, and creating solutions to shape the future. So here are the prizes, like prizes worth rupees 1 lakh for the winners and 50,000 for the runner-ups, and even exclusive internship opportunity for selected teams. Sounds exciting? Let's break it down so you can get started today. So let us see how to register for this. Click on the link given in the description of this video and register before January 17. But don't wait, only 2 days left for this one. So assemble your dream team of 4 to 5 members. And here one more good thing is, teams can include students from different colleges, and your team leader should register first, then sends email invites to teammates. Once everyone accepts, your team is officially recognized. Remember, once you lock in your team, no changes are allowed, so choose wisely. To ace this hackathon, so let us see who can participate in this. Eligibility is simple yet specific. 6th semester undergraduate engineering students from selected institutions only. Cross-disciplinary teams are encouraged, and each participant must be 18 plus old and an Indian citizen. Keep your age proof, address proof, and college ID handy. So let us see why you should not miss these things. So hackathon also features exclusive webinars packed with tips, detailed instructions with industry experts. This will give your team a competitive edge. Make sure you attend. So what are you waiting for? Grab your teammates, register for the Deloitte Hackathon 2025 now, and let your ideas shine. Remember, the registration closes on 17th Jan at 11:59 p.m. sharp. So this is your chance to showcase your talent, win exciting prizes, and even secure an internship with Deloitte. So don't let this opportunity slip away. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more exciting updates like this. Until then, see you in next one.